The U.S. Air Force has taken a significant step forward in expanding the operational capabilities of its unmanned aerial vehicles with Exercise Reaper Castillo. Held from November 4 to December 18, 2024, at Melrose Air Force Range in New Mexico, this exercise highlighted the MQ-9 Reaper's ability to operate in austere environments and demonstrated the drone's versatility in modern military operations. The MQ-9 Reaper's performance in this exercise pushed the boundaries of what's possible for unmanned systems. While the drone flew over a rugged dirt strip preparing to land, the 1st Special Operations Mission Sustainment Team worked quickly to establish the area for critical refueling and rearming operations. This field-based operation marked a departure from the traditional reliance on paved runways and large logistical support teams, showcasing how the Reaper can operate with minimal infrastructure. What made this exercise even more impressive was the distance between the operations. The drone was being flown from over 1,100 miles away at Hurlburt Field in Florida, demonstrating the increasing reliance on remote control operations in modern warfare. This long-distance control emphasizes the growing role of unmanned systems in military strategies, offering increased flexibility, lower risks, and higher effectiveness in both combat and surveillance. The main focus of the exercise was to develop the MQ-9's Agile Combat Employment capabilities. This approach refines the drone's ability to operate flexibly across multiple, often austere locations, ensuring resilience and rapid adaptability to evolving mission requirements. The ability to deploy and operate from dispersed locations is essential in modern warfare, where the ability to respond quickly and effectively is more important than ever. The MQ-9 Reaper, developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, is a medium-altitude long-endurance drone with a wingspan of 20 meters and an operational ceiling of 14,000 meters. It can fly for over 24 hours, reaching speeds of up to 480 kilometers per hour. Equipped with advanced sensors, including an electro-optical/infrared targeting system and synthetic aperture radar, the Reaper excels in surveillance, reconnaissance, and precision strikes. It can carry Hellfire missiles and laser-guided bombs, making it a lethal asset in both reconnaissance and strike missions. During the exercise, the MQ-9 proved it could operate effectively under challenging conditions. It performed dirt strip landings, executed rapid refueling, and was ready for immediate relaunch, capabilities that are crucial for operations in remote or hostile environments. This proves that the Reaper doesn't need extensive support infrastructure to operate effectively, which is a game-changer for military operations in areas without traditional airfields or bases. The success of the exercise highlights the MQ-9's ability to perform critical operations anywhere, anytime. Its adaptability in austere environments, combined with its high-precision strike capabilities, gives commanders more options in complex combat scenarios. With its expanded operational range, the Reaper can provide critical support in environments where manned aircraft may be unable to operate. Lieutenant Colonel Curtis Paul, commander of the 65th Squadron, called the exercise a major milestone in advancing the MQ-9's capabilities. Reaper Castillo involved collaboration across multiple Air Force Special Operations Command units, demonstrating the power of teamwork in pushing the boundaries of unmanned aerial operations. Exercise Reaper Castillo signals a transformation in how the U.S. Air Force uses unmanned systems. By moving beyond traditional constraints and embracing flexibility, the MQ-9 is unlocking its full potential and setting the stage for future operations. This shift not only reflects the evolving landscape of modern warfare, but also positions the MQ-9 Reaper as a key player in the Air Force's strategy for dealing with emerging threats and operational challenges.